Llama 2 is a revolutionary AI chatbot designed to transform the way we interact with technology. Powered by Meta's cutting-edge AI technology, Llama 2 boasts a range of advanced features that make it stand out from other chatbot platforms. This intelligent virtual assistant can understand and respond to natural language queries, allowing users to communicate with it as they would with a human being. Whether you need assistance with a digital task, want to ask a question, or just engage in a friendly conversation, Llama 2 is there to help. One of the key advantages of Llama 2 is its ability to learn and improve over time. Through machine learning algorithms, it is constantly analyzing and adapting to user interactions, ensuring that its responses are accurate and personalized. This means that the more you use Llama 2, the better it gets at understanding your needs and providing relevant information. Furthermore, Llama 2 is equipped with a vast knowledge base, constantly updated with the latest information across various domains. This allows it to provide accurate and up-to-date answers to a wide range of questions, making it a valuable resource for users seeking information on a diverse array of topics. In addition to its practical functionalities, Llama 2 also brings a touch of personality to the conversational experience. With its witty and engaging responses, this chatbot aims to create a more enjoyable and human-like interaction. Whether you're discussing current events, sharing jokes, or simply engaging in casual conversation, Llama 2 is designed to provide a delightful and engaging experience. In conclusion, Llama 2 is an innovative AI chatbot that brings a new level of sophistication and interactivity to virtual assistants. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, constantly evolving knowledge base, and engaging personality, Llama 2 is set to transform the way we engage with technology.